Where you guys going today? The fair?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
You going on a ride? How do you like the country?
That's fun. I hate it.
There he is. He's going to fair too, Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going to fair. Isn't that pretty? Say hi. Come on, Krabby. You're not Krabby, are you? Say hi.
Awesome. You guys get I'm sitting on the back. Is Eddie going?
Okay, baby.
Eddie going to the fair?
Yeah, he's going to fair. Going to see rodeo tonight.
Who's going in the truck with Ken?
Yay.
Comes Grandma. Can you get Grandma a picture too? Yeah.
Tata. Oh, Ben. You hate his kiss?
Yeah. Here you are. Jesse, what are you doing? Melissa, turn around here. There you go. I got you. There you are.
Oh, please.
I know, I got it earlier when I was here. Okay, guys, I'll stand around here.
Where's Eddie been? Come on, Eddie. Come on. Oh, he's coming.
Eric,
You going in the truck too? Yeah, watch out. Eric, go in this one.
Wait for Dada.
Say hi,
Everybody looking? Melissa's totally covered up.
Come on there.
Melissa, come up front. Right there.
There you go. There they are. The Hartford Fair Group.
Eddie, what are you doing, Eddie? What are you doing? Jesse, what are you doing? I see that face.
Eddie.
Look at Dada.
Eddie.
Here, you get in there, let me get you.
Get him in there. Come here.
Yes. Somebody take this.
I'll take it. I'll take a picture.
This group's tired.
Okay.
Okay, cut.
Hurry.
No, you can't go, Melissa. You guys are too little. Pop-Up's afraid you might fall off.
Whoa.
Nobody's coming around. You can get close.
I don't stay away, guys.
Did you get enough pictures, honey? Way too far away.
I'm doing two.
Okay. Got it.
Almost hay out.
Jesse picked them?
Yeah.
Here, Mom, here's roses. Mom, I'm trying to get them.
Hold off a little. They get close.
What size are these?
I think 18 months. 18 months?
Yeah, I didn't think he could read yet, so I didn't give him.
Oh, okay.
What do you got, Eddie? The paper.
What are you doing, man? You might open your present.
Get too many
board
shots.
set.
No, you can't have that paper. He's fighting at it. He'll fight in a minute.
He still want to work today? He's not doing anything. Say hi.
I've had enough of this.
I haven't got to play with what I got yet.
Right.
Now, you want me to open more?
His own private port.
You pound on that one.
Yeah.
Talk and eat things.
Yeah, talk and eat at the same time.
Nice. Look at it.
You keep blowing that horn down there.
I'm going to hide behind my sister. No hiding, no hiding. That's it, give her.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Step it in there, Ed. I gotta get the birthday boy. We don't want to see anybody.
I don't know how you can move the camera. It's only so big in here, you know?
I can move it now, but I wanted to get him eating his cake. I'm moving.
Good, Eddie?
See me? I'm moving. Yeah, I know. I can't find it.
Come on. Walk down. Wait.
Come on, go see Mommy.
We have to follow them?
Go get Mommy. Go get Mommy. Yeah. Go get Mommy. Go get Mommy. Hurry up. Get Mommy. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Come on, big boy.
Go get Mommy.
Come on, go get Mommy. Go get Mommy.
Everybody else is looking
Here she comes, Miss America. And who's that one?
The biggest one here.
Hey. How did he get in line again?
Hey, how you doing? How are you?
How's the right, all
They
right?
had a fire in that there. I put it down
Right, right.
Okay, let me see now. We get ready here. See if we have some any good boys and girls here tonight. Let's see. Let's see who this is for. Oh, I don't know that guy. Let me see. And he's bad too. Let's see. There's somebody here named Chris. There he is. Get his picture now. You been a good boy? I should break his thumb. Okay. Grace? Yeah. Come on, you want to get your picture taken with Santa Claus? Look at that.
That's what I want.
Yeah, see. Okay, now let's see. That's Grace. Grace here? Is there a little girl here named Grace? Oh, she's a pretty little girl. Well, look, turn around and get your picture taken, Grace. That's yours. Alright, okay. Now let's see what we got here.
What you got?
And we got anybody here named Jessie?
No.
Jessie? What's your name? Jesse, that must be yours then. You been a good boy?
Jesse, turn around.
Okay. Get your camera. Get your picture taken there. There you go. All right. Now let's see what else. We still got more here. We're not done yet. Is Lindsay still here? Did she leave? Lindsay here? Oh, me. Okay, here you go, Lindsay. Look at that. That nice.
Lindsay, sit there a minute.
Here, Lindsay. Come over here. Get your picture taken. Come on, it's okay. Now, all right.
Where's the light at? Here?
This must have been for the best person here. Who do you think's been the best? Me. You? No way. I know you, boy. This is Eric. Is that your name? Yeah. Oh, okay. We got something here for a guy named Eddie. Where's he at? Your name Eddie, boy? Your name Eddie? You want to take this, Eddie? You want that present? He ain't sure. He must not be receiving. Eddie? There you go, Eddie. All right, now, it's been good. Coming over here there, Jesse. Get your picture taken. Come here, Eddie. Come over here, Eddie.
Smile. Look at it.
There you go. That'd be good now. All right. Now, I gotta leave you guys. I got a lot of people to get to.
Get back on the roof, Santa.
Well, I'll see you guys all later now.
Bye, Santa.
Girls now.
Is she a good girl? Is she a good girl? Don't worry about me.
Ask my husband, he'll tell you.
No one.
Santa Claus, look.
They
tight with the camera.
That's all right. She thinks I'm Cecil B. DeMille or something.
Down goes cup.
Hey, like that cake, Eddie?
Go ahead.
And